Hello, my name's Slim. I wanted to introduce you to a whole new idea in online education. Imagine Choices. Imagine Choices is a teacher collaboration. Our teachers have traveled all over the world and come from every corner of it. IC is not a school. Instead, it is a service to put you in touch with the right teacher for whatever you want to learn, whenever you want to learn it. Imagine Choices.
Thank you, Celine. My name is Will. I'm the English subject coordinator for Imagine Choices. I would like to introduce you to our head English teacher, Mike. You will see a short demo lesson on verbs. I hope you enjoyed the lesson.
Oh, sorry. What's your name? My name is Mike. I'm very sorry about that. I was trying to do an experiment. I wanted to see how many verbs I could do at the same time. I was trying to smile and cook and blow and shake and spin all at the same time. How do you think I did? What? Oh, I'm sorry. You don't know what verbs are? Not a problem at all. I can help you to start learning about them right now.
Verbs. What can you do? I can smile. What else can you do? I can sing. I can look. I can also eat. What other things can you do? I can drink. And I can sit. I can also sleep. What other things can you do? I can write. And I can think. Can you do anything else? I can stand. And I can cook. I can even blow. What else can you do? I can fly. Can you do anything else? I can shake. And I can spin.
And what about you? What can you do? Fly? Well, we can't fly. But birds can. So, great! Fly is a verb. All right, great job. But What I want to know is how many verbs can you do at one time? Try with me. Smile. Stand on one foot. Rub your belly. Pat your head. And cross your eyes. Whoa, I can only do 5. Can you beat me? Great job, everybody. There are lots of other verbs, and some of them are kind of hard. But I think this is a great start. Practice your verbs, and I know you can do more than 5.
I hope you enjoyed our short demo lesson. If you found it useful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe so more people can benefit from videos like this one. You can contact us at imaginechoices@gmail.com for information on becoming a student or a teacher. Finally, please feel free to comment down below. Education is about learning and growing, and we are all about education.
Imagine choices.